Hello, trail travelers. This is Carrie, and with me is my good friend Josh.
How's it going?
And today we're going to take a look at these two actually different soft tops. Now, mine is the original Trek Top.
And this is the Trek Top Ultra.
So very similar in appearance from the outside. They both have this cool slant back design, which I think makes both Jeeps look
absolutely
really sick.
Yep.
Absolutely awesome.
Super aggressive.
We totally love this look. But there is some big differences between these two tops. Now, they both have Sunrider functionality where it'll fold back, but the Trek Top only opens up over the front seats.
Yeah, whereas the Trek Top Ultra actually opens over all of the seats. So it folds back to here, allowing everybody in the vehicle to be exposed to the sky.
And when I take my windows out, I basically have a small bikini top covering everything.
And if we take our windows off, the top will actually fold completely back, all the way back to here, to where it's almost as if you don't have a top on at all.
So if you want some partial coverage, Trek Top. If you want to have that naked feeling,
Trek Top Ultra.
Yeah. So let's show you how these work in the Sunrider mode, and then we'll pull the windows off and show you what it looks like with the windows off.
Sounds good.
Now, to open these up, they're actually both going to be very similar, and it's the same as the Sunrider HT. You just grab these handles up here, pull them down, they'll unlatch, and slide it back. Now, that's one thing that I really like about the Trek Top is I can open this without having to get out of the vehicle.
So just like the Trek Top, pull your visors down, lower the latches. So we have a sunshade in here, so I actually have to get out to open it. And it actually makes it easier, and having the side steps too. So just go back, lift up, folds back just like that, and then you're on your way.
So mine folds back right to the back of the front seats there. So anyone in the back seat is going to have this covering over them.
All right. Whereas as you can see, this folds all the way back, exposing, opening the roof to everybody.
Yeah. Now we're going to take these windows off and show you what they look like stripped down. Now on the Trek Top here, underneath this flap on both sides, you have a zipper that you're going to push all the way up. After I've got that zipper undone up there, there's some Velcro up here. You loosen up and then unlatch the zipper up there, pop this open, get to the strap that's back here. And now this window is ready to pull out. We'll get this Velcro undone so I can get a little movement on here. Pull up to get that off. Again, release the strap inside. And now this window is ready to come out. After all that, we can simply slide the main window open if we can get all the Velcro to stay up. And the side window, the back window comes right out. Now that's how she looks with all the windows off.
And now I'll show you guys how to take the windows off of the Trek Top Ultra. So we'll start back here. First thing we'll do is lift up the flap off the Velcro. Come around, do this side too. And then on this, it's kind of easier to wedge it back and it stays in my experience. We'll open up the tailgate. So on this guy, we're gonna start by pulling these flaps out. And then, unlike the Trek Top, we don't have zippers. We just have these plastic ridges that hook into each other and keep it nice and snug and secure. So once we do that, we'll come back over here, roll up on the bar, just like on the Trek Top, and then the window just slides on out. And we'll put that down on the side. So inside over here, there's the snaps, just like on the Trek Top. And you can just pull the plastic that goes underneath the ridge out all the way around. And it just unhooks. Show you guys. So you undo the snap. We can lift that up on the Velcro. This has the plastic ridge that goes in the groove, just like it does on the bottom. Pull it out from under, and then this just unhooks. You can see that. It hooks onto the bar up there. And that's it. But wait, there's actually more. This is where the magic happens. Right? So there's these latches over here on each side that you lift up, and then you can grab the top of the bar and bring it all the way back. It just goes down, and there you have it.
One thing you might notice on my Jeep here is I have this fishbone off-road shelf back here. Now fortunately with the Trek Top it just misses that, so I was able to keep this installed. And then up here I have the Dominion off-road high lift mount, which normally mounts it on the outside, but that would have hit the window, so we flipped the mount and I can actually mount the high lift inside. Now with those latches, I don't think you can do that.
Yeah, no, there isn't enough room. The mechanism for the top comes down and it would hit the shelf for sure.
So something else to consider besides the full, almost naked approach of the Ultra is I do have that ability to put the shelf back here and that high lift mount, but the pro on this side is the openness that you have.
Yeah, absolutely.
So that's the Bestop Trek Top.
And this is the Trek Top Ultra.
Hope you enjoyed this. Hope this was educational for you. And if you have any questions, be sure and put it in the comments below, and we'll try to answer them as best we can for each top. You know yours really well, and I know mine very well. So thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe out there. We'll see you on the trails.